我来吃啊，我来。朋友，你看满天飞，我来乖乖，这下来，你看它下来，你看它下来，我来宝贝儿了，我来。
Typhoon hit China. A typhoon in China this year has brought storms and rain to its southern shores as forecasters report recording rainfall and a high risk of natural disasters in provinces, including Guangdong, the country's most popular spot. The typhoon was moving northwest at a speed of 26 km per hour after storm Santa made landfall in Mayaoman City, Guangdong Province, the National Meteorological Center said in a statement. Despite the moderate intensity, the typhoon will bring hefty rainfall and could break the record for total rainfall as it pulls the regional monsoon rain belt inland, said Guo Shangru, the center's chief forecaster. The abundant monsoonal water vapor will lead to intense rainfall and huge extreme cumulative precipitation, Gao said, predicting up to 800 millimeters of cumulative precipitation in some areas. At risk, Gao said, are western Guangdong, where Chinese typhoons usually linger, western Ganshi Autonomous Region, and the island province of Hainan, where heavy rains cause landslides, city flooding, and floods. Hainan has upgraded its emergency response level to the second highest level. He suspended rail service on the island and cancelled more than 400 flights to and from the cities of Haikou and Sanya. In Macau, one person was injured due to wind and rain as the hurricane approached, state television said. Recently, historic rains and floods in southern China have destroyed property, paralyzed traffic, and disrupted the daily lives of millions of people in one of the country's most densely populated and economically important regions. Extreme weather, including unusually severe flooding, is expected to persist in China for more than a month, forecasters predict, blaming climate change.